Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will show you step by step how to buy hosting from Hostinger. I'll also share my discount link and coupon code so you can save extra. The link in the description, make sure to use it for the best deal. First, open the link from the description. So I already have pasted the link in the bar. You can check that bloggersradar.com/hostinger and click enter. This will go to the Hostinger website. So guys, you can check that Hostinger website is open. Here you can check that 75% of web hosting already available, and we will also provide you another coupon code for extra saving. Here you can check the features of Hostinger, free domains and website migration, WordPress and other CMS, fully managed WordPress hosting, 24 by 7 support. So here we click claim deal, and you can also check that 30 days money back guarantee. So there is no issue in purchasing hosting from Hostinger. It will always be a best deal. So guys, you can click the claim deal and it go toward the packages. Here you can check that hosting packages are showing. You can check there are multiple packages: premium plan, business plan, cloud starter plan. You can compare their features here below. In premium plan, 25 websites are included. In business plan, 50 websites are included. Here you can create 100 websites in cloud startup, and you can also check other features in premium, business, and cloud startup and so on. So guys, there will be the most selling and most ideal best deal for beginners and already who are working. It will be a business plan. Here you can check pricing is 3.79 per month, and 3 month free or extra are also included. So guys, for purchasing you can click here choose plan. This will go to the cart page hostinger and cart. So guys, here cart page is opened. You can check the best deal 3 month free hosting with 48-month plan. So guys, best plan and recommended period for hosting for most saving and most discounted price will be 48 month. Here you can check that you can save 489 US dollars, and in 24 month you will be saved just 228 US dollar, and same in 12 months plan you can save $108 only. So guys, I will provide you a more discount coupon here that will work minimum on 12-month plan and onward. Here we will choose 48-month plan for our demo purpose, and here you can see that there is an option of coupon code. We will click the have a coupon code and enter our coupon code, that is hosting promo, and click apply and wait for the price to update it. Here you can check that 10% extra discount of US $18.19 is applied, and here you will click continue. This will go to the register page. So guys, you can check that here we are on the registration page. Here we are on the registration page, and this coupon code and discount link that I have provided you in the description and pinned comment, must use it before registration, and this will only work for the new registration. You can also create a new account if you already have an old account. Here we will create a demo account for purchasing purpose. We will write hosting highlights at gmail.com, and we will write some random password and click register. So guys, here you can see that checkout page is loading, and in the meantime you can check that checkout page is open. Here you can write your first name, last name, country of residence, phone number, address, city, and zip code. Here we will write our address, city for a demo purpose. So guys, after filling the address, city, state, and zip code, we can click continue and it will go toward the payment tab. Here you can choose your preferred payment method: card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, CoinK. So guys, you can enter your card details here and submit payment, and after successful payment, your hosting plan will be activated. So guys, that's all for today video. Keep in mind to use the discount link and coupon code before purchasing hosting. Thanks for your time. This video helps you in getting extra discount. So thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and you have gotten the extra discount. Goodbye. Cheers.